Alex has an important meeting tomorrow, but he's not feeling well today. He needs to visit a doctor, and this time he must speak in English. Let's see what happens.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I have an appointment with Dr. Kim at 10 o'clock.
Sure. What's your name, please?
Alex Brown.
Yes, Mr. Brown. Please take a seat. The doctor will see you soon.
Thank you. How long is the wait?
About 10 minutes. Would you like some water?
Yes, please. That would be nice.
Let's look at some useful expressions here. How can I help you today? A polite way to start a service conversation. Please take a seat means sit down politely. Would you like some water? A kind formal offer. Repeat after me. Would you like some water? Great.
Good morning, Alex. What brings you in today?
Hi, doctor. I have sore throat and coughing.
Ah, you mean I have a sore throat, not I have. Good try.
Oh, right. I have a sore throat.
Let me check. Open wide, please. It's a little red. You might have a small infection.
Should I take antibiotics?
Not yet. Try warm water and rest your voice.
In English-speaking countries, doctors often say, "What brings you in today?" It doesn't mean you're carrying something. It's an idiomatic way to ask, "Why are you here?" or "What's the problem?" Now let's review. I have an appointment. Would you like some water? Open wide, please. What did Alex say wrong at first? What did the doctor tell Alex to do? What does take a seat mean?
You'll be fine, Alex. Just rest for a few days.
Thank you, doctor. I feel better already.